Welcome to NCCERconnect. In this video, we'll walk through how to change settings for multiple assignments all at once. From your instructor home screen, select Manage Assignments. This will bring you to your Assignment Manager. Select Manage and choose Bulk Edit Assignment Settings. You can use this page here to change settings for more than one assignment at a time. You'll first select your assignment type. We'll select Quiz. You can change settings for all of your quizzes, for instance, or choose specific quizzes. Some of your scoring options below are to allow for late submissions. You can also deduct late submission penalties if you'd like. You can allow for partial credit. And if you require show work questions, you can change the scoring for those here. Under Access Controls, you can require a password for the assignments. You can also change your attempts per assignment. The default for quizzes is students have one attempt at the quiz, but you can change that and allow for more than one attempt. You can also change how students have access to assignments where they have incomplete attempts within those assignments. Under presentation options, you can set a time limit, and then you can show the time remaining during the test to your students as they work through the test or quiz. You can scramble question order for each student, and you can edit the learning aids available. Under reviewing options, you can change how your results are displayed, and you can also change when students can review their quiz. If you'd like, you can allow students to print the test with correct answers for later review. And if you'd like to allow other instructors to import these assignments, you can allow for importing any changes that you make here too. Once you're done adjusting your settings for your assignments, select Apply Settings at the bottom of the page to save your changes.